Mirror adjustment. If you're the sort of person who rides constantly upright, never overtakes, never goes over the speed limit, and you use it for a helmet support, it's not going to apply to you. But people who do overtake, who do go over the speed limit, mirrors are very important. Right, this is your final adjustment. You twist in this. That's not the first thing you mess about with. The last person who rode the bike could have been taller than you, could have had a different riding position. They could lean forward, lean back, lean upright, lean over backwards, with your cranium, staying in the back bedroom. Either way, this is your last adjustment. The only thing you should put on your mirror is hair ties, if you're a hippie bastard like me. Your first adjustment is going to be here. That's the arm. So you can put it forwards, backwards, either way. If it's too tight, there's a screw in there. Mine is an Allen key because it's a fucking Suzuki Bandit. It's all Allen keys. Same here on the bar end mirror. You've got this here. You loosen that, and you can adjust it up and down. That's how you do one adjustment. Your second adjustment, the final bit, is your fine tuning here. Just pokey, pokey, pokey. You can loosen a nut off on there or a screw off on here, depending on what type it is. And that can give you your other movement. This is your ball hitch, so it goes in any direction. Same with this, ball hitch, you can rotate it. If you're saying you can't use your mirrors because they're the wrong type, you just need to adjust them correctly. It's not just wiggling this, it's adjusting the arm as well. So yeah, if you put your helmet on your mirror, it's going to snap. Eventually it's going to weaken and snap. At the very least, it's going to put your mirror out of alignment. It's fine if you don't use your mirrors, but those of us who overtake actually do like them. So yeah, mirror adjustment, 2 points, here and here. Ignoring the bug bites and the doggers who have just finished. Fucking minehead. It's a magnet for Castle Estate fucking holiday makers and doggers in their 90s. Jesus Christ, how many did she have in one go? They were queuing up. Fucking hell. Another little bike shop con. You take a bike in to get serviced or worked on, they will always fuck with your mirrors. All they'll do is take the arm and push it back. Now if you don't know how mirrors work, all you're going to do is try and adjust this piece, and it's not going to feel right, you can't see behind you. And all I've done is push the mirror back, or forwards. Which means if you don't know how mirrors work, you'll think your mirror's fucked. You're going to go back in and pay them to replace it or fix it. And all they'll do is move the arm. It's a little con job that makes them about 50 quid minimum. So it's quite simple. You just have to know you can pivot it there and there. I've never seen a bike mirror that didn't have at least 2 places to adjust it.